Good morning. A slow-motion caper in a quiet neighborhood has grabbed attention online. Security footage from a home in Maplewood shows what appears to be a determined sloth dragging off a child's motorbike in the early hours. The animal looks straight into the camera before making its getaway.
Hey, stop! That's my son's bike! Somebody help!
What is going on?
The sloth! It's taking the bike!
A sloth? I see it. Come on.
Please, somebody stop it!
I'm calling animal control. Let's move. It's heading down.
Elm! Oh my gosh, it's fast!
Never seen one run like that.